Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Still raining here in LA, and I'm still doing our series of new old stock salesman calendars that Jim had found and had professionally framed. So what we have here is, again, a salesman would come into some type of business. This particular case was the Superior Gift Calendar Company, and see if a company want to customize this calendar to give away to their customers or leave in their businesses. So it shows a really cool pinup girl. She's dropped her panties, she's got her dog and scaring the cat. As long as it's not my daughter, I'm cool with that. Jim did a really nice job framing them. It's like a leather, almost like an alligator type look, and then you can take the back to see that everything's been professionally done. But if you are into vintage advertising, you yourself are some type of salesperson, or you like pinup girls, this be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.